Hi, Jason here, alright, from TGN. So today we'll be talking about a new add-on card from Synology, alright. So it's a card where you will have a 10G T-based RJ45 port, and on top of that you'll have two slots for M.2 SSDs to be acting as your cache memory, one for reading, one for writing, to be used as a pair. Okay, so it's an add-on card which can be used in certain models of the NAS models from Synology. So do take note and study which are the models that you need in order to have the add-on into the NAS itself. Alright, so meanwhile, while you're looking at the video, if you do like our videos, remember to subscribe to our channel, and at the same time do remember to click on the like button. Okay, so should you have any comments, we will definitely reply to your comments should you have any. Okay, let's look at the product itself. Okay, so switching over to the product, you'll see the product is actually called the E10M20-T1. Okay, so basically it's basically to tell you this is the 10G. Alright, so it allows you for two M.2, alright, and so this one port. Okay, so we're going to do the cutting up and to show you the unboxing. Okay, so let me go on. Okay. Okay. Right, so let's see what's inside the box. Alright, so here you have your quick user guide. Alright, so it basically shows you how to do an installation, and you will have some heatsink and some stickers. Okay, so remember to keep them because you need them for the SSDs, and these are the screws for the SSD, and this is the heatsink for the SSD. Now take note, for the SSD you can see there are basically two lengths. Alright, the standard being the 2280, alright, and with the introduction of the longer SSD from Synology, okay, so this is the 22110. Okay, so it has additional power capacitors. Alright, so this power capacitors is to prevent in case of any urgent shutdowns, okay, and so that it doesn't corrupt any of your information or data in your SSDs. Okay, so this is this thing. Now let's look at the actual card itself. Let me open it up. Okay, alright, so make sure that when you get it, the seal is intact, okay, and that it's not open. So this is factory sealed, okay, from Synology. Okay, let's open up the card now. Okay, so looking at the card itself, you can see this is where you have your RJ45T base, okay, and then this is where you slot in your M.2 SSDs. Okay, so now remember, these are your spaces. Remember not to destroy them and remove them, and these are your screws for your SSDs. Okay, not only does it have the short holder, but it also has the long connectors for rack storage. Alright, so now looking back at the card itself, okay, so let's move on from the add-on cards. Alright, so do take note that there are certain models which can't be used with this card itself. Alright, so do make sure that first is your PCIe. Okay, make sure that it is of the right speed. Okay, this one is the X8. Alright, and as for the M.2s, make sure that they are compatible, or to be very sure, just be sure that you're purchasing the Synology M.2 SSDs. Alright, so all comes with 5 years warranty. Okay, so the card itself comes also with 5 years warranty. The SSD, if it's Synology, it comes with 5 years warranty. Alright, so with all this, you are very much assured and be very safe by purchasing everything that's from Synology. Okay, now beyond the card, I would like to mention that be very careful about selecting your SSDs. Alright, as you know that with SSDs there are certain lifespan that you have to take note of. Okay, and always check back with your resellers or your distributors on the SSDs to purchase to be used with your Synology. Okay, so now without much ado, alright, should you have any questions with regards to this add-on card, you can definitely contact your local reseller, or you can also leave a comment with us and we can also try our best to answer your questions. Okay, so now looking back at the card, as usual, Alright, this will give you an additional add-on SSD readings. Okay, so that's basically you have your cache memory for your volumes. Alright, be it that you purchase a NAS that has M.2 slots. Okay, in case you create additional volumes, you may use the additional cards slots that you have, okay, to be the SSDs for your additional volume. So you can have the built-in M.2s for your volume 1, and this additional card with the additional SSDs can be for your volume 2. Alright, so that's where it comes into play, and at the same time give you the additional 10G port that you may need. Alright, so now with the SSDs, we all know that speed's going to be increasing. Alright, be prepared with yourself with all the 10G connections, and you'll be very safe for the future. Alright, thank you very much for watching.